The basics for saving any file in Adobe Illustrator. For our first lesson, we're going to need to save the files. This is lesson 2, the first one that we're saving for. We're going to be saving it as an Adobe Illustrator file, which means we're keeping it original. AI up here means Adobe Illustrator. So that's the format we want to save in first. Go to File, go to Save As. Tell it to save on your computer. And then you want to make sure that your Google Drive or your G Drive, is what yours is going to say at school, is on. And we want to go to My Drive, and we want to go to that graphic design folder that you made. All right, we had the folder for lessons, and we had the folder for projects that we made, right? So I'm going to now make sure that this says Adobe Illustrator, and it does. I want to put this in my lessons folder because it's a lesson. And we want to take the front part, and so by clicking twice here after the D, I've got the front part of this title, and you're going to put your last name in the front part. So anytime we save anything, lesson, assignment, project, etc., you're always going to make sure that your last name is in the first part of the saved format. Okay, so now that your last name is in the front and we've kept everything else the same in the back, you're going to click Save. This just says, are you sure you want to save this as an Illustrator? And you click OK. All right, so we're now saved as an AI. The second way you're going to learn to save is a PDF. I'm going back up here to File. I'm going to say Save As. We're going to save on the computer. Only this time, we're going to pull down this menu, and we're going to choose Adobe PDF. All right. It shows that there's no other PDF in that same folder. It is also good to double check and make sure that you're still in the Google Drive, you're still in your graphic design folder, and you're in your lesson folder. Okay, if it says something different, then come back here and start over with opening up your Google Drive, your graphic design folder, your lesson folder, etc. You'll notice that it has already remembered the Martin, my last name, in front already, which kind of makes this easy. So I'm just going to click Save. Then it's asking for certain things based on your PDF. All you have to do, we're going to let everything by default stay. Just click Save PDF. So you have officially saved as both an AI and a PDF for your submissions.